Julia. So I got a second box from Misfit Organics, and this box, of course, has slightly different, because I didn't pick the specific products that came in it, so it has slightly different products than last. And see what's in it. So open box. And it's been sitting outside all day, okay? It's really late into the evening now. And it's hot outside, so hopefully everything is still pretty good. You know. Okay, the only thing I don't really like is how melty the ice pack for the vegetables is at this point. So I feel like, yeah, my only concern is, but this one's a really neat, ooh, yes, I have to say off the bat, we have zucchini. I love zucchini. We have onions. We have more kale, onions, green onions and kale. Another little package of tomatoes. These are organic ones. Okay, this is butternut squash. All sorts of squash. More squash. Okay. Some avocados, which need to ripen outside of broccoli and cauliflower. What else do we have? We have, ooh, the blueberries. Lovely, lovely blueberries. They're organic, OG blueberries. Mushrooms and tomatoes in the fridge, because I refrigerate everything no matter what.